So guys, I'm so excited to actually show you exactly how you can make money with this new AI called ChatGPT that just released by OpenAI. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can make 20 cents per click, like if you are using this particular software. So you have to ensure you follow up the strategy I'm going to review in this video, because if you just skip this video or you don't watch it to the end, you might end up not making any money. So you have to ensure you follow up every tutorial, like every steps that I actually teach you in this video. So without wasting much of time, let me quickly explain much about this particular ChatGPT that just released by OpenAI. So this particular software is a learning machine that actually used to do a lot of things. You can use this particular software to write a code. Like if you are a junior developer, you can actually use this AI to write a code. If you are a venture, you have a WordPress website, you can actually use this AI software to be able to write a function that will allow you to speed up your WordPress website. And if you are a blogger, you can actually use this particular OpenAI to also write a content like that is going to be much better than all this copy AI that is in the market. So you have to ensure you follow up, because I'm literally going to show you the dashboard of this OpenAI like ChatGPT. You have to follow up. So for you to get started with this particular website, you have to register. So let's find the registration page. So like try GPT for free. So this is the dashboard due to the fact that I've already registered. So let me log out to show you exactly how you can register on this platform. So you have to click on sign up. So you sign up with your details like your email, then you click on continue, then it's going to request for your phone number, then you click on continue. So but due to the fact that I already signed up, so I'm going to log in to log into my account. So let's click on this. I'm not a robot. Next, you have to verify this. Verified, then click on continue. So I'm going to log in my account. So as you can see, we are successfully logging our account. So we are going to be using some command to be able to write a content on this platform. So in search I actually did recently, I'll try to find a particular website we will be using to make money with ChatGPT. So the website name is called Up Pages. So if you are familiar with Up Pages is more like Medium and the rest. So this particular website have higher domain authority. So let's copy this website and go back to website like SimilarWeb. So if you check SimilarWeb, you know SimilarWeb is a website we use to check domain ranking of a particular website. So this website is ranked 13,700 in United States and 35,000 in global ranking, and the website is getting a lot of traffic every single month. It's up, the traffic is up to 2.3 million, like every visit, like that people are visiting this website every single month. So what's this imply? That if you should publish a content on this website, there's high chances that our content is going to rank faster, and unlike we just starting a website or a blog. So and if you want to learn how to start up a blog, I'm going to drop a link inside the description, so ensure to use this link. And if you check the start of this particular website, this website is getting a lot of its traffic from United States and United Kingdom. So that means if we are promoting a product using this particular website, there is high chances that the kind of person that will be visiting our article are the kind of person that have purchasing power to be able to buy what we are recommending. And if you check, this website is getting most of this traffic from search engine. So that means it's ranking on all different search engines. So and finally, if you check the domain authority by using Ahrefs, you know this domain authority have 84. So that means we actually have higher chances of ranking on search engine if you actually publish our content. So I even know that like we are going to register on this particular website called Up Pages. So all you have to do to register, let me try to log out to be able to show you exactly how you can register. So sign out, like let me sign out. So you are going to go back to this option, like you are going to click on join now. You fill in your details, your information, your username. You choose your username. So like peradventure you want to choose your username, you can sign in with your Facebook account, you can sign in with email, you choose your email, your password and the rest. So you are going to click on sign up and should be able to sign up on this website. So due to the fact that I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log in my account. So let me log in to show you exactly how we are going to be making money with ChatGPT using this particular website called Up Pages. So right now that we have the two major accounts ready, so the next thing we have to do right now is actually to go back to ChatGPT dashboards. So as you can see, we are going to put in some command to be able to allow ChatGPT to write a perfect and SEO friendly content for us. So right now I've done a lot of research based on the fact that the kind of product I'll be promoting that's related to productivity, and this particular product I'm promoting also is related to productivity. So I've done a Google search to find a particular content that is going to be much related to our audience. So as you can see, like I type in a Google search, increase productivity in business. So it depends on the kind of product you want to promote. So you are going to brainstorm the content idea you are going to input on ChatGPT. So right now, let me just copy this particular topic. So I'm going to copy this particular topic, come to ChatGPT. So right now I'm going to put in the command that this ChatGPT write an article, a long article. So we are going to click on we are going to type in write a long article on topic. Okay, we are going to enter the command that ChatGPT should write a long article. Okay, I have not long article. So you should write a long article on the topic top strategy for increasing productivity in business. So we are going to enter to be able to allow this particular AI to write this long article for us. So let's click on enter now. So as you can see, this particular AI is writing the introduction and then we start writing the article. So this is one of the best idea. Like if you are into content writing, you offer job or as a freelancer, you can actually use this particular AI tool to be able to write a content that is going to be much related to your audience. We know we have most of all this content writing tool in market, like Copy AI, you have like Jasper.ai, but this is one of the best in the market right now. And one of the advantages is the fact that it's free for every user. You are not paying to actually gain access to this particular tool. And to my surprise, I've actually used some AI in the past to be able to write content for one of my websites, but discovered that actually there are a lot of platform that is actually rejecting the content. But I just tried this particular ChatGPT, and the platform I actually uploaded the content to, they approve my content instantly. It's really awesome. So let's just copy. I think the AI actually completed the writing. So let's copy it, then go back, let's copy, then go to Google Docs. You can actually use Google Docs to do the formatting, and also if you have Grammarly installed on your website, you can actually use Grammarly to do the correction. So as you can see, this is our content right now. So like I'm going to also go back to ChatGPT to tell the to actually write like write conclusion. Can you write conclusion? Can you write the conclusion? So by inputting the command, this AI is going to write the conclusion for us. So let's try to find. So I think the conclusion is somehow long, but we can try to figure out how we can reduce it to a little bit. So this is the conclusion right now. So within some minutes, we actually have a complete article. So let's do the formatting, and I will come back. So I'm going to pause this video to do the little formatting right now and come back.
A few moments later.
Welcome back, guys. Like after some minutes, like I actually did the formatting very well. As you can see, I have heading 2, heading 3, heading 2 where necessary. So I actually use this particular tool. Like I use Grammarly. So as you can see, this is Grammarly Chrome extension. So I actually install Grammarly Chrome extension to be able to check the correction to ensure that the English and the format is actually okay. So I also use paraphrase QuickBooks, like to paraphrase some of the word I know that peradventure is not really okay. So I use this particular tool. I'm going to drop these two inside the description below. So you have to ensure to use those tools to be able to make sure that your writing are much perfect and much easier for everybody to actually read. So right now that we have our article ready, the next thing we have to do is to actually, this part we have actually we are going to ask this ChatGPT to actually write a compelling title for us. So we can actually tell, can you write some title ideas? Can you write some title for this for this article. So literally we can use this particular AI to do, like ChatGPT, to do everything we actually want. It's going to do everything perfectly without any error at all. So as you can see, it's writing a content, the topic idea we can actually use for this topic we actually for the article we actually write right now. So one of them is top 10 strategy for boosting business productivity. The ways to increase productivity in your organization. Effective management, proven strategy for improving business productivity, how to get more done in less expert time, tip to increase productivity. As you can see, this particular topics, like this particular title, can actually get a lot of click. So let's just find the one that we think is going to be much compelling. So let's copy this, the top ways to increase productivity in an organization. Let's copy this title. I think this title is quite okay. So let's go back to all pages to be able to publish our article and start making money. So we are going to click on write an article. So write an article. So we are going to copy the topic we actually get from ChatGPT. So this is our topic, and we are going to choose, like, the topic section. We are going to choose a particular area which we think is going to be much okay for us. So as you can see, I suggested a lot of areas. So let's just choose the one like sport and recreation. Oh no, we don't want that one. Like, we want business. So like business, learn skills, and professional organizations. So let's change this particular area. So as you can see, this is a basic article. We are going to click on basic article, then confirm we are a human being. So let's click on continue. So it's going to load up the next page. So right now, the next thing we are going to do is actually, I'm going to choose an information like the about us, about the writer. So I'm going to choose this over here. The next one is actually to go back a little bit. So this is the area for us to input the article. So as you can see, this is image box, and this is text box. So let's click on edit the text box to be able to copy our, like we are going to go back to Google Doc, then go over to, let's copy this article from beginning to the end. So as you can see, we are actually formatted this article rightly. So we are going to copy the entire article up to the end. So let's copy, then come over to all pages, then paste our article. So we have successfully pasted our article, then click on save. So this is how our article is going to look like. So like, this particular article is perfect for everybody that want to start. Oh, there's mistake over here. So the first page, I have not added it as heading 1. So you can actually highlight on this one, then choose to be heading 2. So like, we are good to go. So the next thing that is very important for us right now is, we have to make money with this particular ChatGPT, like trying to promote our article. So although this particular platform pay us whenever we publish content, but we want to double down on this particular strategy to actually make money. So for example, this particular method, you are going to sign up for this particular affiliate newsletter called Share or Sell. So Share or Sell is an affiliate platform you can actually use to promote different products using affiliate marketing to really make commission. So whenever you copy your link from this particular platform and someone sign up to your link, you are going to make a commission. I really don't want to waste your time, so I'll just copy some of the products that have been approved already, because if I want to be showing you exactly how you can get approved, it might take a little bit. So this is one of the websites that has got, like, allow me to promote their products. It's called Zen Business. So this is, I'm going to copy my affiliate link to be able to promote it on all pages, and using ChatGPT to be able to make money online. So this particular affiliate network actually pay $100 per commission or per sales. One of the business you can actually start, promoting someone product to be able to make commission. So let me just copy the affiliate link. So I'm going to copy the affiliate link over here. So let me scroll it down a little bit, then get HTML. So only URL. So let's copy. This is my affiliate link. So if I should paste this affiliate link to another page and click on, so it's going to load up the information, like the entire. So this is create your LLC in taxes. So for example, now if someone should copy their email and later create their LLC, so I'm going to make a total sum of $100 per sales. So this, this is really awesome. So right now what I'm going to do is go back to all pages. So since what I'm actually doing over here is related to business and the rest, so I'm just going to enter, like trying to find a particular area which I can actually add this my affiliate link to ensure that I make money off of it. So let me just find a particular area to hyperlink. So okay, let's increase your product, crucial for increasing productivity. So let me just use it as an example. So I'm going to find link. Then one of the reasons that I actually like this platform is allow us to actually paste an affiliate link. So you are going to disclose your affiliate disclosure, like this is an affiliate link, a paid link. So I'm going to click on it, then save. So right now, if somebody should click on that particular link, we are going to make commission off of it, and you are also going to make commission using Amazon. So as you can see, this particular chatbot, you can actually drop it. You can actually drop it at the below of this video. So what does means that, like, they are going to display a product. So let's click on it. You can search for a product on Amazon and add it over here. So let's search for a book on Amazon, like book, business book on Amazon, productivity book. So if somebody is reading your article, there's high chances that they might buy the book and book on Amazon. So let's find a particular book that is selling very well on Amazon and be able to add it to our article and be able to make more money. So right now, this is one of the books that is selling, complete film production handbook. So let's just, this is not to the right book, but for the sake of the example, we are going to copy the deep link. This is the code we are going to use. Come to all pages, then paste this link to be able to search for this product. We are going to search for this product. So as you can see, we now added this product to our article. So we are going to add this to our article, then we click on save. So that means if these people are reading our article and they actually buy this particular book, we are going to make more money. And also this particular platform called all pages actually pay you for someone reading your article. So I think we are actually good to go. Let's just copy this particular small section over here, then come over to the summary of our article, then paste it. Then we should be able to submit our article. Okay, I think we have to include this particular disclaimer, like general. You can actually use it to general disclaimer. Copyright, peradventure we can add this to be our copyright. So right now we are going to submit our article. And more importantly, if you like this video so far, we like you to subscribe and also like this video and share it to your loved one, because it takes a lot of time to be able to create this kind of content. So right now we are going to publish this article, so for them to actually approve our article. So right now, if somebody should just read the article, we have a lot of area to actually make money. They can actually buy this Amazon product, or peradventure they can actually click on this our particular link. If they should click on this link, it's going to take them to another page where they can actually include, like, start LLC in Texas. So this is the advantage. You can actually make money using this particular method, because everything we are using here is actually free. We are getting the content free from ChatGPT and publishing into this particular domain authority website. I know this is the end of this tutorial video. You will love it and you actually find great value. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.